He's done. Are you done? Alright. You done? Can you go away, please? This is about River, not you guys. Okay. Oh no. Okay, well, I thought this was going to be about River, but it's about Jackson now. Jackson, go. Alright, welcome back to bleh. You guys, I'm trying to film a video. Sorry. Dude, you guys are making this so terrible. Go, 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 go. Alright. No, go away. Go away. Go away. Go. Welcome back to Malcolm Goes Outside. So if you didn't know, me and Michaela moved to Mesa, Arizona, which is obviously in the Phoenix area, and we brought River and Jackson. You guys are making this so hard. And yeah, we're just down here doing the snowbird thing. And today I figured, well, we'll talk about old Riv here. Well, he's a good hiking buddy, and he's a good camping dog. He'll keep you safe. He'll alert you when he thinks there's something wrong going on out there. He stays right next to you on trail, and he's a good swimmer, and he behaves very well without a leash and on a leash. And I recently figured out that he likes skateboards. So, skateboards like so. So I figured out that he likes to pull me around on this. So we bought him a harness, and I got some dog buoys for him. And he likes to pull me around. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with me and show you our experience. So River is well, you're about what? You're pretty much a 3-year-old border collie. He's only about 40 pounds. Ew, I just touched your wiener, Jack. That's icky. Yuck, dude, why is your wiener so wet? He pulls me pretty good on the skateboard, and so that's why we got him a harness, is so that he's not choking himself getting pulled by the collar. So I'm gonna attempt to get him all dressed up, and we'll go out and do this. All right, Jack, you gotta go. You gotta go. Riv, come here. You'll come here. Let me see your tootsies. Let me see your tootsies. Come here. Let me see it. Put it in there. You guys. You guys. Okay. This guy. Can you go somewhere else, please? Can you go? And yeah, this is our roommate's dog, Sky. She's very adorable, and I think she's an Australian Shepherd Border Collie mix. Okay. She's like the same exact age as River, which is really weird. Like almost to the day, too. Rev, come here. I know, it's weird at first, huh? You've worn these plenty of times. Come here. Your foot's not broken, dude. Your foot's not broken. Come here. Come on. Don't act like your foot's broken. These are such a pain to get on. Come on, let's get your little footsie in there. Okay, there's that one. Now let me see your butt. Woo! So, you're being so good. Let me see. Put the back one in. Okay, last one. Let me see, let me see. Alright, come here. Let me see the front ones. Let's get this one in here. Alright, let's see the front ones here. Let's see the front ones. You look like you're crippled. You're not crippled, son. You're not. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. And now for your... Oh. Now for this thing. How does this work? I don't remember. What? I really have no idea how the hell it... What? How does this work, Riv? How does it work? Okay. I guess. Come here. Will you shut up? Jeez. Okay, I think I'm still trying to figure out this harness. I think I have it on right, and I think it's tight enough. He's a little weirded out. You haven't worn those in a while, have you, Riv? Well, shall we go for a cruise? All right, he's ready to go. Come on, Riv, let's go. So cute. All right, hold on. We're gonna go this way. You lost your shoe. Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna go get your shoe. It fell off. Oh no. Okay, let's go get it. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go to the side. Your little feet are so cute. Hold on. Hold on. Dude. You're making this so hard. Easy. There you go. Yeah. Going this way. Woo! Good boy, Rev. Good boy. Oh, that harness works so much better on you. Let's go this way. Come on. Okay, easy. Hey. All right. Good boy, Rick. Good boy. Okay, wait. Let's go. Oh, hang on. Oh. Okay, let's go. Go down. I just don't want to run your little paws over. Check out the Yoda. I think that's sick. Okay, ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. No, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Wait. Well, what do you think, Rev? Did you have fun doing that? What about you, Jack? I think it's time we shoot your ball, don't you think? Should we go down to the park and do that? Should we go and do that? Oh, I think we should. All right, we'll go ahead and take his clothes off, and we'll go and do that.